The atmosphere here is absolutely incredible along Embankment as the fireworks display begins. The creator of this masterpiece is Christophe Bertonneau. Over 100,000 pyrotechnics will be fired off over the next couple of minutes, and there's over 500,000 watts of lightning going in there as well, enough to light up Canary Wharf. The colours are fantastic, and there's something for everyone. You don't see fireworks like this every day, so sit back and enjoy this amazing display. The sky is lit up as far as you can see. It's absolutely incredible. There they guys on their pyro boats with the white suits on, one driving, one letting the fireworks off. The crowd are enjoying themselves. Look at that! They're the boys on the pyro boats. Look at that in their light suits. I love that. You never know, if me and Nick are struggling next year, maybe we'll have that job. You can see for yourself, it's a magical sight. At some points you can't even see the London Eye because of all the fireworks going on in the foreground and all the smoke as well. Everyone seems to be enjoying it though. Look at that, it's lit up London. Now you may be able to see Big Ben in the background as well with the London Eye. There it is. It's like the old and the new in the same shot. It's incredible. And Big Ben has long been considered the epitome of Greenwich Mean Time since it first ranked in 1859. But just so you know, at 10 AM GMT this morning, Kiribati in the Christmas Islands was the first place on Earth to celebrate the New Year's, and the last place will be American Samoa at 11 AM later this morning. I don't know if they're having a firework display like this, but Happy New Year to them all. taken nearly a year to prepare for this display, and you can see why it's absolutely fantastic. That is amazing, and the crowd are loving it. They're just some of the faces watching the fireworks. Some are absolutely delighted, some are celebrating, and some are looking in astonishment. And look at all those phones and cameras taking pictures. I love it. I hope you're enjoying these fireworks displays at home as much as we are down here on Bankman. It's so incredible. You can literally smell the fireworks. You can certainly hear them. And you kind of get a feeling behind them as well. And that bang, bang, bang really gets in your heart. It's incredible. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. Do you enjoy that, guys?